Hello, good morning. I will show you how to shearing the elastic. So this video is requested by Frank. So I will show you how to do it first. So I get some fabric here. So I mark it. So on the top is 2 inches, and then maybe I gonna make it 1 inches apart. So here I already mark, so like 5 lines here. So and then other one in here too, this one. So well, I will show you how to wind the bobbin. So there's a different kind of elastic. There's some a little bit thicker, and then there's some a little bit smaller, right? But this one is old, so it's not very good to use it. So this one is good. So this one. So here my elastic here. So I'm gonna wind it like that, and I put my this one, right? So that one here, and then I put my my bobbin here. Then I'm gonna do like that. So and then cut. So there's some cutter, this one here. So this is different from my other old sewing machine at home. So that's the way to wind the elastic. So it's already stopped. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna put the bobbin in a bobbin case. So it's like this. So you need to adjust this one if it's too tight, so that it's easy to, you know, to pull the elastic. Yeah, I'm gonna put there. That is click, right? So and then so here, don't bring here down again, and then just push here. A small things in here, clip, so that push. So there's no threader this sewing machine, because this is a little bit older model, right? So this is already there. To adjust a little bit, longer the stitch. So but you need to lock it, okay, so that the elastic it won't loose. So I don't need to cut it, just pull it, right? And then just lock it. Yeah, lock it. Yeah. So but it depends on how your fabric. So you need so is there some fabric that is it's hard to shearing? So you need the light fabric. So 1, 2, 3. So and then make sure that is you always pull the elastic, so that it won't go back down, because it's stretchy, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I cut this is one more, because it's 5, right? So yeah. So this one like that. You see, it's like that. It's a little bit hard to see because it's colored, right? I mean, there's some color, but here, see like that. So it's like that. This one ends. But if you need to make it smaller, so you can make it a half because this one is one inch. So it's yeah, we can try the half inch. So it's the same that you just only lock it. You see there, you see that? Yeah, you see, it's shearable than here because this one is 1 inch. Yeah. So this one is half inch like that. So see, ito anohin ko na to, itahi para pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung resulta ng
The other one is the light bulbs.
resulta ng ginawa ko.
But if I had to get one, would it be okay? So
Yeah, ano lang dito sa may gilid.
anyway, you'll give me a call whenever you decide. I have some.
So ito siya.
He's in force for that. So we have to fly to Ontario and then go over something. Yeah. Go over. We've been all over the other side.
So this one, and then I gonna fold in here so that we'll can put a little bit bigger elastic in the top, right? Some elastic in here. So because it's just only for kids, this is the one. So it's a half inch. The distance of the stitch, yeah, like that. So that is for the baby. Yeah, see. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.